The Indian head massage,
Yeah.
it's helping you with your sleep apnea and mostly the soreness of your forehead.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the apnea doesn't go away by itself. The apnea is a mechanical problem.
Mechanical, right. This should provide you with some sort of tension release.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. And I recommend you do have Indian head massage from time to time, especially around your neck areas, the sternocleidomastoid muscles, sort of like around the trapezius.
My masseuse does all of that all the time.
Yeah, that's really good. So it's good that you have came down from Israel to have this treatment, and
I need the treatments. I can't be on holidays when I'm here without treatment. My body hurts.
Absolutely. Okay, so you made the right choice, and we look forward to seeing you again from D2D Therapies when you do arrive.
No problem.